Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to convert images in HEIC to JPEG format in iPhone. So all the images which are saved in photos are in HEIC format. So let's see how to make it to JPEG. Go to files. From here tap on browse. From here tap on. Now from here tap on my iPhone. Tap on three dots on the top. Tap on new folder and name it to anything. For example, HEIC images or anything. What you have to do, go to your photos. From here tap on select the photo which you want to make it. Let's say this. Tap on three dots. Now from here tap on share. Tap on copy photos. Now go to your files, open that folder, long press and you will find paste button. Tap on paste. Now these images are in JPEG format. This images has been saved in JPEG format. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.